the end of 2016, the Amsterdam City Archives are working on the disclosure of the Amsterdam Notarial Archive by using vele handen, literally translated many hands. Vele handen is a crowdsourced tool developed by the Dutch commercial company Picture. Many Dutch archival institutions use this tool. The Amsterdam City Archives used it in the past, for instance, to index their population registries, describe large photo collections, or georeference the digitized maps. Right now, the Amsterdam City Archives use the tool for several projects, for which you can sign up voluntarily. On this moment, the Amsterdam City Archives has 5 crowdsourced projects. 4 of them are related to the Notarial Archive, 1 is related to one of the population registries. From the 4 notarial projects, 2 deal with the indexing, named Alle Amsterdamse Akten, all Amsterdam deeds, and 2 with the transcribing, Crowd leert computer lezen, Crowd teaches computer how to read, of the notarial deeds. Let us first focus on the current indexing project, where the archive is working on since the end of 2016. In the first of the 2 Alle Amsterdamse Akten projects, completely scanned inventory numbers from the Notarial Archive are digitally cut into separate notarial deeds by specialists by placing begin and end markers. When the inventory number of a notary is completely cut into deeds, these are automatically transferred to the second project that is also named Alle Amsterdamse Akten. This is the big crowdsourced index project. Over 700 volunteers already helped indexing deeds of more than 50 Amsterdam notaries, altogether covering more than 330,000 notarial deeds, approximately 1 million scans. The standard project page of vele handen knows different tabs. On the project page, you can find a forum where volunteers can help each other and ask questions to specialists. Under the page Statistics, the volunteers can check general and their own statistics. This ensures a kind of game element. Vele handen participants collect points by every data entry they make per completed unit. They can use these points, for instance, to buy interesting books or visit temporary exhibitions within the city archives. With these kind of initiatives, we hope to reward important volunteers. Volunteers can of course enter their preference for a certain notary or for a certain level of difficulty in the handwriting. For the colleagues of the archive, it is important to keep an eye on the variations of these different things in order to offer an interesting mix for the volunteers. Under Progress, you can see the development of the data entry and control per notary. Again, a game element that makes it attractive to finish a specialist notary, for instance, faster than another. When we want to start the indexing, we enter a new window, where we get the cut notarial deed, recognizable for its begin and end markers. It is the purpose to enter the date of the notarial record and categorize the deeds per type. For instance, last will, probate inventory, prenuptial agreement, etc. Therefore, it is mostly necessary to read a few lines or words from the notarial deed. Next to this, names of persons and locations outside of Amsterdam can be entered by framing the names on the scan. Finally, Interesting information from the deed may be summarized in the so-called subject field. After a final check, the participant completes his data entry and receives a new scan.